Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming exactly what's using space. Open Settings and tap iPhone Storage. Once done, update iOS and make a backup so you can safely remove files. Next, enable iCloud Photos and choose Optimize iPhone Storage to keep smaller device files while originals live in iCloud. Make sure to note any huge apps or media listed at the top because you'll remove or offload them in the next steps. Now you remove the heavy items. Offload unused apps from Settings iPhone Storage to preserve data but free app space. Once offloaded, delete any apps you no longer need. Clear message attachments by opening messages and removing big threads, then clear Safari history and website data to drop caches. You should also comb through photos, videos, podcasts, and the Files app to delete duplicates and large downloads, making sure to empty recently deleted afterwards, so space actually returns. Finish by permanently deleting items in recently deleted across photos and files, then restart your iPhone so the system recalculates free space. Once rebooted, check Settings iPhone Storage to confirm gains and review any remaining large items. If numbers still look incorrect, sign out of iCloud or perform a force restart. That often refreshes the storage index. As a last resort, back up, erase all content, and restore. This
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.